If you have been searching for a smarter productivity app that combines notes, tasks, AI, and knowledge management into one workspace, you have probably heard about Tana. But is Tana actually worth using in 2026? Or is it just another complicated productivity tool? In this video, I'll cover what Tana is, its best features, the downsides, pricing, and who should actually use it. What is Tana? Tana is an AI powered productivity and note taking app designed for people who want more than just basic notes. And instead of organizing information in folders and pages like Notion or Evernote, Tana uses a graph based system with nodes and super tags. That means every piece of information can become connected, searchable, and reusable across your workspace. Tana is mainly built for power users, content creators, researchers, founders, students with heavy note systems, people managing large amounts of information. Best features: Super tags. This is probably Tana's biggest feature. Super tags let you turn plain text into structured data instantly. For example, you can tag something at a meeting, a task, a project, a contact, or even a content idea. And Tana automatically organizes everything for you. It feels much faster than manually creating databases in Notion. AI integration. Tana has built-in AI features that help with summarizing notes, generating tasks, brainstorming ideas, organizing information, writing content. The AI integration feels more connected to your notes compared to many traditional productivity apps. Voice notes and quick capture. Tana makes it very easy to capture thoughts quickly. You can use voice notes instantly, add tasks, dump ideas into your daily page, organize later. This is great for people who think fast and do not want to waste time formatting notes. Graph based organization. Tana works more like a knowledge graph than a traditional notebook. Everything connects together automatically. So instead of searching through folders, you can link ideas, projects, meetings, and tasks together in a much smarter way. If you like apps such as Rome Research or Obsidian, you'll probably enjoy this approach. What I like about Tana. The biggest advantage of Tana is flexibility. It can replace your Notes app, Task Manager, Knowledge Base, Research Tool, AI Assistant. Another thing I like is how fast it feels once you understand the system. You spend less time organizing and more time actually working. Tana also works really well for long term knowledge management because your notes stay interconnected instead of getting lost in folders. Downsides you should know. Now let's talk about the negatives because Tana is definitely not perfect. Steep learning curve. Tana is not beginner friendly. If you are used to simple apps like Apple Notes or Google Keep, Tana may feel confusing at first. Understanding nodes, super tags, and workflows takes time. Overkill for casual users. If you only need simple notes, a to-do list, basic organization, then Tana is probably too advanced. A simpler app like Todoist or Notion may be easier. Mobile experience. The desktop version is much better than mobile. The mobile app works, but the overall experience still feels more optimized for desktop productivity. Pricing. Tana isn't the cheapest productivity tool available. Some advanced AI features are tied to paid plans, so heavy users may end up paying more over time. Who should use Tana? Tana is best for knowledge workers, researchers, writers, content creators, productivity enthusiasts, people managing complex projects. You will especially like it if you enjoy customizing workflows and building a second brain system. But if you just want a clean and simple notes app, Tana may feel unnecessarily complex. Final verdict and conclusion. Overall, Tana is one of the most powerful productivity and knowledge management tools available right now. Its combination of AI, structured notes, and flexible organization makes it stand out from traditional note taking apps, but it is definitely built for advanced users more than beginners. If you are willing to invest time learning the system, Tana can become an incredibly powerful workspace. But if you prefer simplicity, there are easier alternatives out there. And that's everything you should know before using Tana. If you find this video helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment down below, and tell me if you have used Tana before or not, and how was your experience. Share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.